back to my channel. I'm so excited about this video, you guys. This is my very first video in my Shopify / e-commerce series, okay? I love all things digital. I love all things e-commerce, especially fashion and beauty e-commerce, okay? For those who do not know, I have been in the fashion industry for over 10 years at this point, and I have also worked in the beauty industry and on the digital side for the past 5 or so years as well. So I have so much knowledge when it comes to building a website, growing your online business, okay? I'm your girl. I am your girl. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new website from scratch, okay? So if you are a new business owner, you are looking to create a website for your brand and you just don't know where to start, stick around, okay? Because I am going to be dropping some gems. So the first step into creating a website is to first choose your platform. There are so many out there that are all user-friendly, okay? But the first step is to really choose something that actually meets your business needs, okay?
Now, the top 2 platforms that come to mind for e-commerce is Shopify and Wix. I have used both in great detail, so I'm excited to get into these points. Both platforms are pretty easy to use and navigate so that you can create your own website in a matter of minutes. The drag and drop functionality makes designing your website a breeze. Both platforms also have a great library of tutorials to help you with your setup. What I really like about Wix platform is the numerous step-by-step guided sessions that you can use to help set up your website. They really have a way of breaking down each feature so that you do not miss a thing. In my opinion, based on my research, many people tend to think that Wix is one of the easiest website builders, and I tend to agree with them. I will say that both platforms are easy to use. However, of the easy, Wix is the easiest. And this probably explains why I have 7 Wix websites and only 1 Shopify store. However, I will say that this is probably the case because Wix platform itself is pretty basic. You should understand the needs of your business before truly making a decision based off of ease. If you are a product-based business, it is worth to spend the extra minutes to set up the Shopify account. Shopify has a quality selection of 80 well-designed themes to choose for your site, 8 of which are free. All themes are modern, sleek, responsive, and mobile-friendly. You can demo each theme to get a real-time customer experience. You can also view other stores that are using current themes as well. The only con that I see with Shopify is that their prices have increased for their paid themes kind of tremendously over the past couple of months, I would say. Previously, you could find a nice theme for up to $180 max. Now, their themes range from $220 to $350, so it is a little bit pricey. Wix, on the other hand, has 500 plus customizable website templates that are included with all of their packages. Most of their themes are well designed, clean, and modern. The only downside here is that their themes are not the most responsive, and the mobile experience for e-com could definitely be improved. If you decide to use Wix, I would definitely recommend making sure that you check the mobile site. There is a high chance that you will likely need to manually rearrange some of the mobile elements before publishing so that these elements do not overlap. Also, from a customization standpoint, Shopify templates are a lot easier to code, especially for beginners. Wix is not as intuitive. So in my opinion, my verdict is that Shopify templates are definitely built more for e-commerce stores, and therefore they have the better themes. While it is a one-time investment, you can definitely find comfort that you are getting the best quality web design. Wix, on the other hand, is not as flexible.
Hey everyone, so interrupt this amazing video to let you guys know that I create a series in which I will be doing unboxings for Black owned businesses and Black owned brands for free. Okay, there's no charge, there's no nothing. All you have to do is sign up in the link below and send me product to the address that's listed, and you will be featured on my channel for free. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this is because I realize that there are so many Black owned businesses, great businesses, that many people just do not know about. And if I can use my platform to help bring light to your business, and in turn you get some additional customers, I would love to do so. Okay, so I will be doing these unboxings probably once a month. It will be a compilation of the items that I received for that month. So if you are interested, be sure to sign up below, send me some products so that your brand can be featured on my channel. Back to the video.
Both Wix and Shopify have extensive marketplaces with apps that will enhance your website. The main difference is that Shopify apps are geared for growing your online sales, as they only focus on e-commerce, whereas Wix apps help you improve your overall website. Ultimately, it really does depend on your business needs. However, I will say that many third-party app developers design their apps with Shopify in mind so that you can easily integrate their apps within the Shopify store. I have not seen many popular apps integrate with Wix as seamlessly. Both Shopify and Wix provide great SEO support. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and this is a crucial function of your website showing up on Google search pages. You can edit your page titles, descriptions, headings, alt text, and redirects in both platforms. Wix has a great step-by-step guided session that walks you through the SEO content for all of your pages. While Shopify isn't as granular, the capabilities are all still the same. So my verdict is that both platforms do a great job at managing SEO. Both platforms also have very detailed tutorials, knowledge-based centers, and overall support for their platforms. However, Shopify does have a 24/7 chat, which they always come through for your girl whenever I have a question, and I really do appreciate how thorough they are with their answers, and they do answer me in a timely fashion. So I more so like or prefer Shopify support over Wix, but the support is still there for both platforms. The basic plans of both Wix and Shopify are comparable in terms of price. Wix basic plan starts at $27 per month, while Shopify's plan starts at $29 per month. While Wix plans are cheaper overall, Shopify's features are well worth the investment. However, if you have an interest in creating a website with the least amount of money possible, Wix may be the way to go.
My top picks for web platforms for e-commerce, number one is Shopify, hands down. Shopify got it, okay? They are the number one e-commerce platform for all businesses. They are so user-friendly. The analytics are very easy to understand. And Shopify has thousands of integrations that are easy to install and help to grow your business. Okay, so if you are a product-based business, I highly recommend looking into Shopify in order to create your site. Now, if you have anything else, if you are a blogger, if you have a professional based brand or a personal brand, maybe if you are a service-based business, I recommend Wix, okay? I have been using Wix for years. Wix has come a long way. What I love about Wix is that it is also very user-friendly. I love their templates. I love just it's most comparable to Shopify in terms of the templates and the themes and how easy it is to actually create a website. But the other thing is, Wix still has apps, it still has integrations, and honestly, if you want to sell products on Wix, you can do that as well. I just personally recommend any product-based business to use Shopify because they are the GOAT. Okay, beautiful people, so that is it. Okay, but guess what? I am going to be going into further details to make sure that your website is set up correctly, that you have all of the apps that you need. Listen, I'm gonna get y'all together. I've worked and seen so many websites that I'm just like, if only they knew. But that is why I'm creating this content, okay? So that you all can grow your brands. So if you are interested in this topic, if you are interested in just hearing more information about how to grow your online fashion or beauty business, okay, make sure you subscribe to my email list. So I am going to link my email list down below, okay? I am beginning to create newsletters in which I'm going to be sending out tips. I'm going to be sending out, notifications of like my latest videos. Like, I am really going to be dropping a lot of gems and giving just a lot of knowledge to you all who might be, budding entrepreneurs, just starting, you need help, you're not sure how to grow your business. I am your girl, okay? So sign up for my email list if you are interested. Again, I'm gonna link it down below, and stay tuned for the next video in this series, okay? Go ahead and like this video if you found this information helpful. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what platforms you're using. Let me know if you have any specific e-commerce questions that you would like me to expand upon in the future, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, you're missing out, okay? How are you going to grow your business? Subscribe and get these free gems, okay? So I am super excited. I am going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.